In today's video, I will walk you through how to create discount on Square. To get started, load up Square and sign in to your account. Once you are signed in, go to the top right corner and click on the three lines to open the side menu. From the side menu, click on Items and Inventory, then choose Items. This will give you a selection of items. Once you are there, look over to the menu on the left-hand side and scroll down until you see Discounts. Click on Discounts, and this will bring you to the Your Discounts section. From here, click on Create a Discount. Now you can start setting up your discount. In the Discount Name field, type in the name you want to use for the discount. In this example, we are going to call it Holiday. After naming the discount, set the discount amount. In this case, set it to 50% off. Next, you can go through the Discount Rules section. Here, you can choose whether the discount should apply during a specific time or set any other rules available for the discount. You can also set a maximum discount value if needed. Once you have finished adjusting the settings for the discount, go ahead and click Save. After saving, you will see that the discount has now been created and added to your discounts list. And that is how you can create a discount on Square. Thank you for watching.